Anyway, you will be a quaba. You go so damase. Because you could break your buy magia to a chere odo. Kakra kradiaka a ye kotokom kunim dia. Yenina ye pe. Oba, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As same way, one announcement and say subscribe it. Na emre bebe besi said no mumu bi share video no mo subscribe it. I keep getting calls. Ya ba ki krebi so mo hwehwe o mo hu. Nti wa hu no subscribe. Maybe o tena bi no wa ha wo hwehwe na aye de ama. So subscribe now, turn the notification bell no on. De bia no ya do video ni tu mo e ba beto phone no so. We ye free anu wa click no wa he. Nti wa wo he me no subscribe si a na yenka eja no nguma no mrei mabo ansem na no mabone bede achechire mu asone mu na mede brɛw. And Asante Kotoko trading grounds na enya asem ketwa ho nsem wa ha mede be brɛw. Yes, Kotoko Bechem on Saturday 3 p.m. ho nsem eno de doso puo ye mesashe bag no mayi na me de ahye no mayi straight to the point. And ye din komoketua bi on ye din komoketua bi on team FN Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na Kotoko youth team no me be kind last week. Mesa la no last 2 weeks. That's last 2 weeks. Mesa akamu kakra me san ewura mu kakra. Na me bibia etimi akoyie ede amount. Na the goalkeeping department and whole debate and sorry. Frederick Kasari Danlad and Moise Poite na nkomoni yetiawa ye new coach but ye chere ya adwen je adwen chere. And this question you understand it later e wo video no later e wo video no beti ase Asari akọ Blasters aba amafo bi sise rotation na ema Danlad nda Poite a consider against nations. Should Asari continue as the #1 goalkeeper for Kotoko? And as ye ma Danlad or a captain also chance. If you so because komo bia koso komo na no hye. Ma be kire komo no. But what I'm saying is between Asari, Danlad and Poite at this moment after 4 matches Kotoko lose no. Should Danlad be given an opportunity? And as ye ma Asari and Twasonda after so nya call up a call Blasters. In same way, you abenya muntiasie later e wo video no. Welcome to Porcupine Stand with Seobed. All right, yes, nsem say na mamindi kan kire mu. De nti ambisa a question quick. Mame fa Kotoko youth team ne de enembra. This month Kotoko is expected to come out with a graphics. Asante Kotoko as a club at the graphics beba bonten. Se enena oche na graphics na ba ma we mu show. Kotoko ever started serious justify for the youth team. Me catch us Kotoko youth team be started April. Emmanuel Newton Dashberry eton so gu so ebro call Kesben FM. Chiremu eba no me bo ne bede dia ma ono yese justify no graphics beba abonten na one the way forward for the Kotoko youth team. But all this from what I'm picking it will happen after Kotoko ni Bechem. Unless say ne decision necessary. But from what I know Kotoko ni Bechem ni wi and sana graphics na ba bonten on Kumasi Asante Kotoko or youth team any a hon shesheye. Now this time on the youth team a policy being directed from Fikesium. Nyankasa me the youth team no komo because na nyoma bi nteneme as a Kotoko na one year the abebom youth team, 1 year the abebom youth team. But this time around nyantiasia emupi from mpanimfo mo kapie wom say Kotoko youth team we no Fikesium and eba. Kotoko is trying say in the medium term. Don't forget that it is 80% that Kotoko will announce a foreign partner. Story represent come here no full one. But your man go ahead in the make be mejebi. But Kotoko will announce a foreign partner next season. And youth team no is a mega policy. We nyesi ebeye na later ebe hu na nkwala na ye ja omo. Management tried, and Dr. Kwame Che, they tried to build a youth team, and I tried. And now the IMC is trying. You know, before said new board never ban. Not this particular youth team, no one session. I had one two banner. Oh yeah, the account, the senior team. No, now Boama Kotoko na kone ni menya dia. Oh banner, the banner structures they put to be in place. Obabani ye chira o say ye the man ye way. Now, this is not a youth team that ebe later and ebe ton so. Let's all hope for the best, or let's wish say ebe kosa pepe na di enije e di abre nyina, because the success of the modern day game no youth team no it carries a lot. Even Manchester City crano. Now you are looking at someone like Phil Foden, now say Cole Palmer, now something back we have Oscar Bob. City crano most come to akese no come man kwala no chance. Uko United se ko bi menu Garnacho mu nyina omonam Rashford mu nyina afiri ho no maba. Nti sa pepepe Kotoko so be bi yemfa empire bonteche. Now talking about Kumasi Asante Kotoko board. Me nkomu bebre nti na nka me made headlines no, but enkra eba metimi di amount about Kumasi Asante Kotoko board no say the club licensing body and correct the letter break Kotoko say ade say club biano or managing your Ghana Premier League, you need a board, a working board. Now na a letter every year akofi bedu ho akodi a club licensing body. So mama Kotoko next season. Kotoko will announce a substantive board. IMC nin common emre no be di no. Any letter where I intercepted, I be copy mo efi ho no. Ma access to say from the office of the chief of staff, there is a confirmation that the IMC job will be over at the end of the season. And therefore, there will be a new board which will be formed to run affairs for Asante Kotoko. Because the IMC adwuma ni over, nya say ye pamo mo. Say over and say ye begunu. And some members will be maintained and retained, and new members will be added onto it. And an America coach akwesi Pia and an apenkra kwesi Ewa. Na me come one some chiro. They will be part of the board. Also, first, now Asante Kotoko board from Fikesiem na Nana Nkobi Ahene and Nana represented. This time around, it will be Nana apenkra kwesi Ewa. Kontompo ni aferi no never to maintain as the rep from Fikesiem na Kwesi Apia as a technical director. If you do or no any busy baby, he will also be maintained to manage affairs for Asante Kotoko. Until the new board ne dey yaka yesa confirm yesa to munchine yesa the amount BM say it is coming next season. We be man call for chance of mama speculate, but I'll tell you say unzo me speculate and no dey penny sika. No kwani yes will be any who is coming. Last week, call na me nya no. Ese mensia e trickish. Obe tricky says ya. From a higher producer of porcupine stamp editor my name say I should not mention any name again until say or no ebe me go ahead. They know your Kotoko board there no. Mame emfem ma sum wiase fo na kan ho biem. Na ebe operation fo na omo kom fa se omadwuma. Si Kotoko eko Bechem no ese dan lad na eda story wey ewia hyehyehye na ba sum fo ne say ya madan lad in fact indi Kotoko ani mu nko Bechem asem om de ba yeso yetia ne de aba enti say the moment you appoint him as the captain of the team, he should be part of the soul of the team. Now, argument when an area, argument for almost 30 minutes because also Professor said Danlad absent from the 20-man squad, not taking something away from the team, the soul of the team. Because like I said, I have nothing against Danlad. Also, soon for no can some now we subjected to unemu analysis. Unemu analysis near say at the time that Kotoko were winning, there were matches and Danlad in cut 20-man squad no because of injuries. They also an make it, but not Kotoko. Name Fege, our deputy captain, crown on some count, but not Kotoko. So if they are making a case, say, Jensen's goalkeeping department, now you try Danlad to see how he will manage the post. It's a brilliant point because the head coach of Asante Kotoko Nankasakura can say, Kotoko team no goalkeeping department or more rotation. So you can make an argument say rotation has to Danlad. But say onimua Emma team nation no. Where sana moyama eduma yediama the boy called Danlad. Inti ochina what the wow betibi me asem me kan na ochina na edeja ade bechi na edeja into ochina wow betibi our operation for nsem meka about who should be the goalkeeper our Kotoko ni bechibu no meba tactics and kasa training grounds ba ma men sam fan to anim say kuma say Asante Kotoko team na chitafo na plan 2 buses to Bechem against a team we friend Bechem United. And no news about China and also who say trendy into 2 buses and a circles together with other supporters of Asante Kotoko. Mu pet team no omo ya arrangement. Pokupan tertiary. I mean biso say Pokupan tertiary ma consult to omo. Okachem say eno nye done. But there will be 2 buses are more organized for Kotoko ni Bechem. Tiname ya adum China. By enumere, I'll get a go ahead to mention the numbers. Or our person will be chimney bino. Say keki beko. To our beko bino, you can call these numbers and meet them. Now near more eco be chim. Likely say bass ne be so full. What I'm picking is a be so full. Na oba nani a pua omafa a buakwa kwan so no mo ko be chim to go and support the team roughly by bed 9 or meet me a 2. Send you by bear 12 or most of more corner or America by 12 no me do da no mako didi mako gate in term send you muko do why beto mu ticket mako transit na ma support to team. So 2 buses being organized by key members within Asante Kotoko circles and other lovers of Asante Kotoko. I no so the oha me de mount and then enumere news me de back now to other stories. We catch it on say there will be a meeting with Asante Kotoko players and the IMC. But before I do that, it has been confirmed. Nana Kwame Dankwa, Chairman K5, Christopher Damenya, Obin Sechere. There are 2 lawyers. For now, lawyer Safudu commit me abonidin. The other lawyer, I can't mention the name. They are going to organize a press conference after Kotoko ni Bechem next week on Kotoko Chitafwa Omakodin Senseme or GF in Semunu. Me catch us or Moki can send be a bit farmasoon. Me Bechem be chira on ra. We do more so on press conference. No ma address the issue. Also do videos to Babontin to defend their people. Videos, Oma call on bloggers, including myself, Ajibi. How our referees ni free stadium or call and Oma just video, no. Say, Omo be prove actually we are seeing say the referee will be monsa ankano. Next week, dear. Sema what do a beba no endorse. Maka Kotoko youth team dear beba. Maka Kotoko press conference dear beba. Meka nra mesa can be. And now my body, so you can call them and ask them, say, press conference near no cry and say no cray. Macachero, my body in the amount. You can call them and find out. General circles for no more to come and defend their members. Now press conference, them bear key agenda. Maybe say there is a plot against Kotoko. And we are the Omoka. Say Kotoko kwa we ni chinchim ninsa. Kotoko bebo homa. Na away team numum. Speaking to powers above. Send ye ebema venue hono. Number of police the create near times 10. Nti no yen sema ho do omo so omo ba beka. Eno de maka kire omo se me omo nyaade baba yara oko venues bi national security ana NIB formerly BNI for no many other venues but baba because of the numbers anyhow some pick security briefing intelligent ones and sana anyhow mercy into ultimate na baby nka say oko away BNI national security money wanting no yebe kumasi yenyi ni nyina mfrim but these are the kind of points our mobile beki na me aduma next week to defend themselves because I'm say as fans of Kotoko no man kasa you be you may born into the GFA and racket to use as a crew and mami DCOP ni dia donko next week Kotoko chita for no say almost what you de bebrel and no ba ko ama me mboni tew na me fa ema and meeting na course na Asante Kotoko players no last week me kan e kire o e wo bossa o ma she this week me kan another bossa o ma she den say they are not going to lose against Bechem. Bossa na no den. Say they will not lose against Bechem. Na me akasa me ti asem no amamanya nkenya won say no a wo hwe me a na wo hwe me na ultimate say me ho den bi na e kasa. Menya nkenya and I would want to believe the players that indeed they are not going to lose against Bechem. Kotoko Bechem tough. Ogum first time also Bechem 2-0 and Okobo draw. Last year Kotoko ni Bechem na Bechem share Kotoko ma Zabu ekoyi de che at the prep form. I don't know if you remember that story. The Bechem so a tall venue. As a matter of fact, Bron and half of teams, playing against them is difficult because Ediana Amasha Kotoko. Kotoko in Suatre Kotoko Lusuye. In Bofo Kotoko Kosheno. In Tiaka Chelsea. Any Bechem. And last season, we check ya Kotoko struggled. Oh, matches Okobo Obi. Ebie no Kotoko winning. Kotoko Lusu Chelsea 3-0. And Lusu Bechem 2-0. And on it in Suatre, I think he ended in a draw. And Ediana Esha Kotoko FA Cup. And I think the league also ended in a draw. Bibisa. To show Kotoko trip to be, getting a win, I difficult. In the last 10, I think say win about will not be more than 3. I could count before the na makai a year Ediana the and I think that is all. And 11 wonders, so I think the Kotoko question what touching my pain. But apart from that, Ogum first coming or share Ediana on the Bechem board draw, on the Chelsea board draw. Yes. Be a corner thing. But players na say, oh they say, what check here, draw no womb, a man for team ko draw. Also babo more than say, the resource at least a point. Ebebe fie against a team of Bechem United. And also assurance back because now my main ka win chira quick. Na men pinsem bebre. Let me read it. Okay, me kind way from a reporter. Also said the training was nice. Me kind training report. Me yi be film. The training was nice. Okay. Maybe I will now train na me yi be film. New system with new faces playing most of the time than the old faces. Okay. Mamini can't wait. I said training effort. The coach, okay, focused so much on view battles. They did not have 11 aside for long. And I kwada kwa jache. Yeko shisha de yakoso. Me yi bebre film. Tine tofa boni ese 11-11 no normal bo bebre. And ye baako. Ni enu coach ni V battles. V battles me kan na yi ade no potin na free ho. Me kan de kro. But the tofa bom ni ese players afoforo no training no more than adadafo no. and I say a new system and a coach in a try. Ogum is going to Bechem with a new system. And Ogum is going to Bechem with players are a bit surprising amount for as lineup. I know you're the eba. Ewaha or Boakani and but and no nyama bond so after the game, yeah, analysis and yeah, but we are making you know, say you know it from here. Enya good no mudi o training no. Bon, keke ko hone. The other buy no. Because you as a man on wa be kasakra na. On wa be chechire mu the course wo training. Enti Ogum is storming Bechem with something new. So who Bechem na wo hwe Kotoko old matches are be mistake because before from. Na lineup na eko Bechem no. Say so called Arsenal. I say 4 back ni omu bebre o. 4 back ni omu bebre. And a 3 back ni omu bebre. Ti de metimi aka no ni yi bebre afiri mu. They say Arsenal. If Man City, we are Man City kura. Omobo Akanji, Vardio, Netanaki, and Ruben Diaz. And your 4 center backs ni gine chiro for Manchester City. Meaning say 7 American not just center backs ma 4 and obon. No wing back, no number 2, no number 3. Center backs 4. Center backs 4 no. Se team ni attack ya. Na defender baako no, o Man City a. No we piana ba be hye mfimfi, o na aye 3 we akire. Ba so o ba attack ma center backs 4. Che one ye pampe. Nisi coach Ogum design a new plan. What they call Bechem. You be analyzing it later, but ye pese be ba monte match na eden. Ti kakra mitimi aka no. Di vampire bote akire. Vampire bote akire. Na yenhwe. Asante Kotoko center back Sheriff, Justice Blay, Henry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin. Sa 4 no. Bibi abit miesi. Amen famunsi, amen komu bebre. Nze ehhehye nti ye ka echire mfimfi no esesa na anim no so asesa. Nti different yemfa gidie nta echire na yenhwe de betimi akọ. So there are variations in 4 back, and that is what will happen. It will be cheap. Bye bye.